Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and don't forget to hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you'll do, you'll be subscribed to our channel and we'll send you some updates as soon as we put out some videos. Alright, it is Food Fight Collector 10 weekend. So we are here. As you can see, we've got a Soggy Babies out of one of our collector tins, and that was a really fun pull. And as always, leave a comment right down below, and we are going to enter you into 2 drawings. One for our monthly drawing. We have enough comments that we're going to do a runner-up and a second runner-up. So leave a comment, and you'll get an entry into that. And your second entry will be into this flawless briefcase. It is stuffed full of autos, parallel cards, number cards, even some sapphire cards, and some food fight cards. As always, with every hobby break, we are going to put some more food fight cards in there, and we're going to put a sapphire card in there. It's a really nice one. So that is going into the flawless briefcase. All right, let's get to this. Collector 10. Bonus magnets inside. Cool. And don't forget to send us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We got a Twitter account now, so let me see your tweets at Hobby Breaks. All right, let's get this bonus magnet pack. Let's see what's inside of here. All right, we got a Joe Blow and a Sam Burger. That's kind of cool. Joe Blow and Sam Burger. All right, pack number 1. These are collector edition, as you can see on the package. Packs. So you do get the different parallels in these. Just the dark blue parallels. It's a checklist. And we are doing some tutorials on these digital cards you get from the Adam Appetite redemption cards. So check out that tutorial. Let us know if you want a tutorial on something else. We'll start making those up for you guys when we get some requests. See if any interest in the digital Garbage Pail Kids. It's pretty fun. We did some. We got a prison on our tutorial. And we'll show you how to find your packs. Sometimes they get lost and you gotta like click around for them and try to find them. It can be kind of cumbersome sometimes, but Tops is working on them. They're making the site better each and every day. So if they make any major changes, we'll try to do a new tutorial to help you navigate those blockchain websites. So you gotta get a couple of different ones. You gotta create an account. So it's still in its fledgling stages for the Garbage Pail Kids, but it's coming along, and you can get some really cool cards in there. So for the redemption cards we get out of here, we are going to do some videos on redeeming those and trading them and selling them and whatnot. Last collector 10, we got a Soggy Babies patch card right there. In our previous 2, we got some autographs. Did pull a couple of red parallels as well. And there's our Adam Appetite card. We will redeem him, a tutorial for you. Parasite Perry. waiting to see if someone hit a printing play or one of those gold cards in here. Oh, looks like we got a good one in here already. All right. And our blue parallel is a concession stand. And our red card is Food Selfie Steffi. And she is numbered to 33, 33 to 75. That's our red parallel numbered card. Tito Burrito for our blue parallel. Who doesn't like burritos? Maybe not that one. Don't forget to leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. That's Hobby Breaks. Let us know what you think of our Twitter. We're still building it up, trying to figure it out. We're new to Twitter. So let us know if you want to see a break or if you liked our videos. Leave us a comment on there. Cherry on top. Blue Spew, Meltdown Mark, Food Fight Felix. Keep thinking of Fixin' Felix every time I see that. If you played that Fixin' Felix game, Fix-It Felix game, it's pretty fun game to play. Cookie Pusher. Feel something coming up soon. Got a ridiculous Reese. Who has seen the Garbage Pail Kids movie? That's a thing. I wonder if it's funny or just really, really gross. Ring Puppy. Spaghetti. Sweet Ruth. Any second now. It's coming, it's coming. I feel it. Holding out for the good stuff. Food Fight Felix. Zap Zack. Blended Billy. Maybe it's this one. Is it this pack? Getting close. Pinched pepper. Almost there. pinky. Almost there. Man, I'm on the edge of my seat here. 3 packs left. And a blue spew. Oh, I got a red card. And our red card is Steve Heave and his brother Blue Spew. And Steve Heave is number 4 of 75. Number 4 to 75. There's our 2 parallels. Come on, you gotta give me something big. We got a tincture Donald. Last pack. We should auction this one off. What do you think? No? Come on, something good, something good. Last pack, something last pack. Atom Bomb. Lobster Lonnie. Anticlimactic a little bit, but that's okay. We still got some more collector tins. We did get a couple of red parallel cards, so that's kind of cool. But more collector tins coming at you. Stay tuned and send us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. Let us know what you think and leave a comment. We'll get you into some drawings. Thanks, everyone.